Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Now, once your content is open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. Let's try that again. There we go. The same time. And you'll get this pop-up with a couple messages like message, edit, share, Google Lens, and delete options. And as you've seen, after a moment, this will disappear. Once these pop-up disappears, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application. And you can see that it is showing up right here at the very top. This is the only thing that I have right now on the phone. But later on, it might be easier to find it if you have the albums right here at the bottom. You can select albums and choose screenshots, or you can also tap on the text right here. As you can see, it says screenshots, so just locate that somewhere. When you click on it, it will take you to the album where you will find only screenshots. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.